Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I am super excited to share with you the top 5 free Android apps that you can get right now. And these are the best apps for 2025. I have carefully selected each and every single one of them. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. So the very first app is called Notion, and this is basically like a note-taking app. But what makes it stand out is that it's super smart. See, if you're a student or someone who takes a lot of notes, then you know how hard it is to keep everything organized. But Notion automatically sorts everything for you. Just take a look at this. It has a bunch of different categories like favorites, work, school, and projects. And when you start typing something, it suggests you put it under which category. And it also has this smart search bar at the bottom where you can easily find anything you've ever written before. It's pretty awesome, right? It's super fast and reliable. And the best part is, it's completely free. Now the second app is called Snapdrop. This is a game changer when it comes to sharing files wirelessly. You just have to open the app and select the files you want to share. And you can send them instantly from one phone to another without any wires or cables. For example, let's say you want to quickly share a file. All you have to do is create a shortcut with one tap, and then whenever you need to share a file, just press that shortcut and boom, done. The third app is called Sleep Cycle. Most of us don't sleep well because we keep getting interrupted by our phones or other devices. But not anymore. This app uses smart alarm technology to wake you up at the right time. Look, I've set an alarm for 7 a.m., but instead of waking me up at 7 a.m. sharp, it wakes me up between 6:45 a.m. to 7:15 a.m. when my body is in the lightest sleep phase. This gives me a much better sleep, and I feel way more refreshed in the morning. The fourth app is called Microsoft Lens. Now this app can do some really cool stuff. Let us say you have an important note written on a paper and you want to scan it and digitize it so that you can access it on your phone. All you have to do is open the Microsoft Lens app and tap the camera, and it will automatically scan the text and convert it into digital text. And not just that, you can also use it to extract information from websites, documents, and even whiteboards. It's super useful. The fifth app is called Action Blocks. This app lets you create powerful shortcuts with just one tap. It also has a bunch of pre-made templates for common tasks, like cleaning your storage, turning on Do Not Disturb mode, or even boosting your phone's performance. So there you have it, folks. These are the top 5 free Android apps for 2025. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tech content. And I'll see you in the next one. Tap Smart, smarter tech, simpler life.